In this video, you'll be learning all about voicemail on your GRP2615. You have two options when it comes to checking your voicemail. You could either press the voicemail button or you can dial *97. Follow the prompt and enter the password for your voicemail, followed by the # key. If you have forgotten your voicemail password or need assistance in setting up your voicemail, then please contact your administrator or contact us here for further help. Upon entering your voicemail password, you will then be met with the following voicemail options.
Press 1 for new messages. Press 2 to change folders. Press 3 for advanced options. Press 0 for mailbox options. Press star for help or pound to exit.
To check a different user's mailbox, dial *98. Then, enter the extension of the user's mailbox in which you would like to access. Then, when prompted, enter the password for that user's mailbox, followed by the # key. Then, you will be able to listen and follow the before mentioned voicemail menu options. And that is the conclusion on voicemail on your GRP2615.